Ever feel like you've discovered a hidden gem, something so good you just have to share it with everyone you know? Maybe it's that incredible little coffee shop around the corner, or that life-changing productivity app. Well, what if you could share something you already use and love, and get rewarded for it? That's the magic of referral programs, and today, we're diving deep into how you can leverage the Gemini referral program to earn rewards simply by inviting your friends, family, and network to join this leading cryptocurrency platform. Now, you might be thinking, another referral program? What's so special about this one? Fair question. In the bustling world of cryptocurrency exchanges, Gemini has carved out a reputation for its security-first approach, user-friendly interface, and commitment to regulatory compliance. It's a platform many trust to buy, sell, and store their digital assets. And their referral program is designed to be a win-win. Your referrals get access to a reliable platform, and you get a little something extra for spreading the word. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to use the program, let's quickly touch upon why you might want to. Beyond the obvious financial incentives, referring others to a platform you trust can be genuinely helpful. You're introducing them to a space that could be beneficial for their financial journey, whether they're seasoned crypto enthusiasts or just starting to explore the world of digital currencies. Plus, sharing experiences and learning together can make navigating the crypto landscape less daunting. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of the Gemini referral program? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Locating your unique referral link. The first thing you'll need is your personal referral link. This is your unique identifier that tells Gemini who gets credit when someone you invite signs up and meets the program's requirements. Here's how to find it. Log into your Gemini account, head over to the Gemini website or open the Gemini mobile app and log in using your credentials. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, look for your account profile or settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner on the website or within a menu on the mobile app. The exact wording might vary slightly, e.g., account, profile, settings, but it's generally intuitive. Find the Refer a Friend or Referral Program section. Within your account settings, you should find an option related to referrals. It might be labeled Refer a Friend, Invite Friends, or simply Referral Program. Click or tap on this option. Locate your referral link. On the Referral Program page, you'll find your unique referral link. It will likely be a URL that you can easily copy and share. You might also find options to share directly via social media or email. Step 2. Understanding the referral program terms. Before you start sharing your link, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions of the Gemini referral program. These can vary, so always check the latest details on the Gemini website or app. Here are some common aspects to look out for. The reward. What do you and your referral receive when they sign up and meet the criteria? This could be a fixed amount of cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, a percentage of their trading fees for a certain period, or other types of rewards. The qualifying action. What does your referral need to do for you both to receive the reward? Typically, this involves signing up using your referral link, completing the account verification process, KYC, know your customer, and often trading a certain amount of cryptocurrency within a specific time frame. Pay close attention to the minimum trading volume and the time limit. Eligibility. Are there any eligibility requirements for you as the referrer or for the person you're referring? For example, both parties might need to be residents of eligible countries. Limitations. Are there any limits on the number of people you can refer or the total rewards you can earn? Changes to the program. Referral programs can change, so it's always a good idea to review the terms periodically to stay informed. Step 3. Sharing your referral link effectively. Now that you have your link and understand the rules, it's time to start sharing. Here are some effective ways to spread the word. Direct messaging. Reach out to friends and family who you think might be interested in cryptocurrency. A personal message explaining why you use and trust Gemini can be very effective. Tailor your message to their level of understanding of crypto. Social media. Share your referral link on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can create engaging posts about your experience with Gemini and encourage your followers to check it out using your link. Consider including a brief explanation of Gemini's benefits. Email. If you have a network of contacts who might be interested, send out an email sharing your referral link and a brief overview of Gemini. Content creation. If applicable, if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, you can integrate your referral link into your content when discussing cryptocurrency exchanges or your personal crypto journey. Be transparent about the fact that it's a referral link. Online communities. If you're active in online crypto communities, like Reddit subreddits or Discord servers, always check the community rules regarding self-promotion. You can share your referral link when relevant and helpful in a discussion. Avoid spamming. Word of mouth. Don't underestimate the power of face-to-face conversations. If you're talking to someone about crypto, mention Gemini and share your referral link if they're interested in signing up. Tips for successful referrals. Be genuine. Only refer people to Gemini if you genuinely believe it's a good platform. Your authenticity will go a long way. Explain the benefits. Don't just share the link. Briefly explain why you use Gemini and what advantages it offers, e.g., security, user-friendliness, variety of assets. Offer support. If your referrals are new to crypto, offer to answer their questions and help them get started. This can make their experience smoother and increase the likelihood of them meeting the referral requirements. Follow up. Gently. If you've shared your link with someone, you can follow up politely after a few days to see if they have any questions or if they've signed up. Track your referrals. Gemini usually provides a dashboard or section where you can track the status of your referrals and see when you've earned rewards. Keep an eye on this to ensure everything is processing correctly. Stay updated. As mentioned earlier, referral program terms can change. Make sure you're always aware of the latest rules and any promotions Gemini might be running. Potential pitfalls to avoid. Spamming. Avoid bombarding people with your referral link. This can be counterproductive and damage your reputation. Misleading information. Don't make false claims or exaggerate the benefits of Gemini or the referral program. Ignoring the terms. Failing to understand the referral program terms can lead to disappointment if you or your referrals don't receive the expected rewards. Sharing in inappropriate places. Be mindful of where you share your link. Some online communities have strict rules against self-promotion. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.